Cathedral Pines Campground. Arrived.
Now, we just stopped in the first parking lot as you enter the park, and this is basically a place to park and access the mountain biking trails, which are right here. Obviously, I don't want anyone driving back here. This is pretty effective. That's the parking area out there. Sharon's in the truck waiting for me. So you'd park right there, bring your bike in, and you can access the trails that go all the way around this park. You got a main trail, which is labeled in a solid blue color, and then there are dotted black lines on the trail system that are more difficult trails, a little more dangerous. It's a one-way system, but to be honest with you, I don't know which way is the way. I suppose that this is the way. This is the way. Okay, here's a sign. Okay, this is the way. What's this? Just that one here. Yep. All right. So it's counterclockwise. That way. Yeah, see another arrow down there. I got to get myself a bicycle and get back out here. Looks like a lot of fun. Well, that's Cathedral Pines County Park in Middle Island in Suffolk County. About 40 minutes away from my house. Be a great place to come camping, bicycling. I think it's going to be more of a tenting place than an RVing place, though. We'll see. Okay, let's give the dump station a quick look. If you're not camping here, it's $9. Otherwise, it's just a hole in the ground with a cap on it. Yeah, water. Pump out, very efficient. That would be the entrance, the booth. They've got another one of these bicycle repair stations. Allen wrenches, screwdrivers. Looks like you could hang your bike up here while you work on it. And an air pump. What a great thing. Low maintenance. Keep the price down, keep it simple. Very smart, I like this. We need to use our bicycles more often. You right, lady?
Nice boy like you doing stuff like this.
a little nutty camping in this time of year for the Boy Scouts.
And there's no bathroom facilities, I think.
Well, I guess they gotta
Still something about maintenance.
bring their own accommodations. Hi everybody, we're at Cathedral Pines County Park and Campground in Middle Island, New York. Again, we're on the search for places to take the RV next season, and this is a nice place for RVs, but it's even better for tent camping. I'm thinking this is going to be more of a place that I can do some hammock camping and some tent camping. The trees are beautiful, the sites are huge and very private. There's a bit of a Boy Scout jamboree going on the other side of the road. But this is a campsite right here that I'm standing in. It goes all the way through here. They're very big campsites. Just outside is a pavilion, restroom, and then down that way is the main office. And there's a memorial building where they have parties and stuff, and all the RV sites are in a field over there. It's nothing more than a glorified parking field. It doesn't look like there are many sites with water and electric, but there are some out here. Now we're here in February. It's a warm spring-like day in February. There are people camping here today. There are people in their RVs. There is also tent camping going on. There's a nice mountain bike trail that goes all the way around this park. It seems like the park is more set up towards the mountain biking angle than camping. As the trail is, it looks really nice. I think I'm on it right now, or this is an access point. I just saw these orange ribbons and I figured I would walk down the path. It's a beautiful forest. I don't think this tree stops anyone on a mountain bike. Looks like they go right over it. I see myself camping here with my car camping equipment more than with the RV. I mean, yeah, there's RV parking here, but it's basically just in a lot. You're not in the woods like this. I don't see any way of getting the RV back in one of these tent sites. They're very tight with the access points. Looks like they want to keep trailers out. I'll find out about that. Yeah, definitely a tent camping place. Wish I had my bicycle here today. I could take a quick ride. No matter where I go, people leave plastic. I don't know what the problem is with throwing away your garbage. Someone living in there? I don't know. Yeah, this is a beautiful campsite, and they kind of keep going down the line. There's one site after another. Beautiful trees. Must be gorgeous here in the summertime. The ground is very soft, maybe a bit muddy this time of year. Nice big pit for fire. Messy people. Sharon's with me today. Hi, Sharon. They do have garbage cans. This is the international symbol for garbage can? I'm not sure what that means. Alright. We drove around the park. We saw the RV sites. Most of the tent sites are very similar to this. I see myself returning here with my bike, my mountain bike, check out the trails. I think I have a helmet somewhere. Alright, well, that's Cathedral Pines Campground in Middle Island, New York. Just a quick one today, just to show you another place to camp, close to home. With gas prices going up the way they are, we're not going to want to do a lot of driving this summer, I don't think. Thanks for pushing on that button. If you're new to this channel, please hit the subscription button in the corner and the like button next to it. Don't forget to turn on your notifications. Thank you for your support.